Okay, guys. So today I really like Angry Birds, guys. You don't understand. So top 5 Angry Bird games that aren't Angry Birds, like the first one. Like these are all Angry Birds. Just not the first one, okay? Anyways, number 5 is going to be Angry Birds Rio, because my grandma took me to see Rio at the movies, and it was really funny, and I laughed a lot, and I really liked playing as Blue, not the Bluebird, but like the one from the movie. Anyway, number 4 is Angry Bird. Oh, sorry, my phone was about to die. Anyways, number 4 is gonna be Angry Bird 2. It was really fun, but I don't like how there's not as many Angry Birds. It makes me a little sad, but that's okay. That's okay. Angry Bird 2 was still fun. Anyways, number 3 is going to be What? What? Okay. Be right back, guys. Oh my god. My grandma made cookies. That's so awesome. So I'm gonna have to wrap this video up pretty soon. Anyways, so number 3 is going to be Angry Birds Space. Sorry guys, my phone's still at low power, so it's taking a little while. Anyways, number 3 is going to be Angry Birds Space, because I went to the NASA station and they had Angry Birds Space stuff, and it was super cool and I really liked it. Anyways, number 2 is going to be Angry Birds Go, because for Christmas my grandma got me the little toys to put in the game, and it was so fun. And number 1 has to be Angry Birds Star Wars, because one night at midnight my dad came into my room and he told me to watch the Star Wars series with him, and it was so weird. And then I found out they made an Angry Birds game, and it was so cool to play as the main guy and fighting the robot guy. Anyways, I'm gonna go get those cookies now. Please like, favorite, subscribe, and leave a comment down saying your favorite Angry Bird game.